is up, guys? Today, welcome back to my video. I know it was a long time, and I just want to say I'm sorry, and I'll start my channel back up because I have to do school and all and studying. So let's get to it. Today we're gonna be playing Pixel Gun Apocalypse. Now, Pixel Gun Apocalypse is like a Minecraft game, even though I don't like Minecraft. I don't like Minecraft, but we are still gonna play it because this game is kinda sick. So I'm just gonna play it. Ugh, I don't know where to go. Alright, Pixel Gun Apocalypse. Yeah. So let's see. Pixel Apocalypse. A game. You know, I'm really good at this game. Ugh, I sneezed. Why is it taking so long? I'm not gonna play that anymore. I'm just gonna play Roblox, okay, guys? Cause I haven't been streaming in a long time. Oh my gosh. So let's get to it. What should we play? Comment down below what should I play. Oh, I should look up some famous games. I should play some Jailbreak. Jeez, there's a lot of, look how many people favorited, visited, it was updated like that, playing, oh my gosh, people love these games. I'm a jailbreak type of person. I'm not like a prison life person, like my classmate. Well, classmate, if you're watching, no offense, but prison life, it's not good, alright? Stop playing that game. That game's kind of boring. Alright, what should we be? Ooh, we should be a police. Let's go. Come on, confirm. Ain't no prisoner. Come on. I'm a good kid. I'm not going so slow. Come on, man. I'm like what? Alright, now, there we go. Why am I so fat? I'm not fat enough. Let's put our suit on. Let's put our suit on. I'm not gonna put a hat on, cause that, ooh. Gotta fight the bad guys. Ooh, somebody at the gas station. Why I got white hands? No offense. Yeah, alright, let's go. We don't. Ooh, I turned the siren on so I can let these people know to get out the road. And there's a police coming. I'm not on the lookout. Alright, there's a police person. Oh snap. Nuh-uh. Get back here. There's a police chase. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Ah! Oh my gosh. I need help. You know what? I feel like I want to be bad, bro. I want to be bad. I'm going to be a bad person, alright? Alright, I know I'm religious, but I'm going to be a bad person. I don't like bad people. That's wrong. It's wrong to be bad. Never be bad in your life, alright? You gotta be good. Like me, bro. Don't be a thug. Don't be some bad people. I gotta be a religious person. Just saying. Ugh. Wow. Okay. I gotta escape. This is why it's called jailbreak. Cause you break out of jail. And I don't get how they have like the new avatars. Like the run, they have like Arthro. Y'all know about that. I have the Arthur face, the Arthur run, a lot of stuff, right? It's not good to be a criminal, but I'm gonna just go somewhere and get some. I'm gonna try to get some guns soon, but I'm not gonna get them now. Come on, where we gonna go? Where should I go? Put it down in the comments, peeps. Let's see this. I'm driving so fast, they should give me a ticket. But I don't need no ticket, because I was already in jail, and now I gotta get out. I got out of jail. Swap some banks, bro. I can't find no banks. Where the banks at, bro? These stuff. Oh, uh-oh. Is that who I think it is? Oh, this is like a police officer, I think. Glad he didn't see me. Oh, snap. I gotta hide. Oh, no. Is that a criminal? Please tell me that's... Oh, no. Hi. Wow. I just walked right past him. Is he behind me? Alright, good. Bet. Oh, there's still a helicopter. Me. Oh, is it open? Nope, I don't got no key card. Oh snap! I need to go. No. Bye. Bye. No. I gotta run away. No, what's going on? Gotta go. Oh snap. There's another one. Oh snap. I need help. Help me. I need help. Oh shoot. No. Go. What happened to my car? No. Man, I told you. Why ain't I a cop? Why ain't I a cop, dude? I need to be a cop. See, this is what happens when you a bad person. They do bad things to you. Bad people, like, bad stuff happens to bad people. Good stuff happens to good people. That's why I need to be a good person, bro. That's what I'm telling you. Just trying to tell you, bro. You gotta be somebody good. Because you can't be no bad person. I don't want to be a bad person. I want to be religious, bro. Damn, bro. Get the freaking... Hey, we rocking with the same hair, bro. Come on, get the gun. Shoot these people. Who's shooting me? Let's see in here. Somebody been eating some apple juice, I see. Ugh, pow. Y'all been eating apple juice. What did I just put right there? Why is it like this? Why gotta run so fast? I'm gonna try hard and jailbreak. Hashtag try hard peeps. You know what? Everybody robbing the freaking store. They just want to get some money. Alright? They want to get some money. Hey, bro, what's up? You supposed to be in your cell. What's she supposed to be in her cell? What you doing, bro? Hey, what's your race? Is you single? Oh, I'm not gonna do that because I'm too young. Alright, bet. Let's go, friend. Let's go whoop some criminals, bro. Ooh. Wait. Let me get in. Let's go. No. Let's go. Alright. The SWAT team. See this guy running. He trying to get it for this. Beto. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. They gotta be in they... Ooh. What we going to do if we want to arrest somebody? What we doing? I don't want to die. No. I wasn't born to die. Well, I guess I'm gonna die. Ooh, I got some crates to open. Oh, open some safes. Come on, let's see what we get. Ooh. Oh, yellow. Man, I wanted that cow one because that was more unique. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was more better. I'm getting my health back. I just got yellow. That's not even a good skin. I need like a legendary skin. Stop getting me these phony skins, bro. Now police, that don't even look like a police skin. Yeah, nobody's gonna like that if they I just want it. Why did I get it again? I could have got that rainbow. You know what? I'm not gonna open no crates no more. Bro, I don't like when you like, I'm just gonna reset. Because I had to die. What you mean? You said, what did you do that for? Because I had to die. Okay. Hey, Mrs. We gotta do some duty. Alright? Some duty. No, I'm not talking about the nasty duty. We gotta do some good duty. Alright? So, why she so rude? So rude. You gotta be so rude. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna rage quit. I swear. I'm gonna rage quit. Come here, boy. You finna get shot. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Oh my gosh, bro. It's like I can't kill nobody. Punch me and see what happened, boy. What's up? What's up? Square up, bro. Square up. Square up. Square up. Square up. What I say? I said square up. Bacon head. Beating up the guest. Hey, bro. Don't be shooting me. Don't be hitting me. Don't hit on me, bro. I'm a girl, alright? I'm a girl. Oh no, oh no. I gotta reset. Bro, come on, shoot. Why everybody be leaving, bro? I'm finna rage quit right now. Cause I don't even got nobody to kill. Nobody to touch or anything. Top criminals. Didn't you just leave the game? Plop, plop, plop. Ooh, what they got for lunch? Ooh. Ooh, there's somebody played over there. That look yummy. Is that green beans? Oh, that's broccoli. Yeah, that's broccoli and green beans. Oh, let's go. This is so good, bro. This is so good. Alright, bye. Finna go. What's up, bro? You want a team? You want a team? Want a team? Want a team? Want a team, bro? Want a team? Want a team, bro? Want a team? Please. I know you a bacon head. I don't like bacon heads because they killed the last guest. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but I want a team, bro. Alright, guys. We're going to finish up with this video. See you next time. Peace out.